Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2001 Jeep Wrangler Sport. It's got the coveted 4-liter in it. Very low miles. Got 60,000 miles. Custom stereo, hardtop, factory steps, original wheels, finished in black. Very, very nice shape. These 4-liters run forever. London drives great. Tires are in great shape. Got seat covers on it. The original seats are pretty nice. Just a little thing right there. The rest of them are really nice. One's great. Got all-weather mats too. Cruise control, custom stereo with Bluetooth. Cold air conditioning. Nice dash. Rear defrost, obviously 4-wheel drive. Air blows nice and cold. 60,503 miles. Easy back seat. Nice truck. It's hard to find with low miles, especially with a 4-liter in it. There it is. 4-liter. Power brakes, power steering. 4-wheel drive. Heavy battery in it. Look at that AC compressor circulate in there. Nice shape. These are hard to find. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out our website too, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.